Hello, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I'm gonna cook some fried dough dipped in chocolate. Wrap your head around that. Fried dough dipped in chocolate, just for you, okay? Give it a thumbs up. Sounds good, it's gonna taste good. Share the video, and subscribe. I'm waiting to welcome you. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I have olive oil heating up in the frying pan, and this is garlic and herb dough. Okay, it's a pizza dough, but you use pizza dough to make fried dough. Okay, so let's cut it up. You just cut it in pieces. I'm gonna cut it, so I cut it lengthwise like that first. And then I'm just gonna cut that in half. And you just keep doing that. Lengthwise. Cut it in half. We want them big today. Cut it in half. And let's do 2 more. Okay, so they're the size we like to have them, like this, okay? Stretch them out. Pizza dough is very forgiving, you can really stretch it. Okay, I'm going to have it about that size. It will blow up and get a little bigger when it cooks. 1 second. Okay, now we're going to put it in the olive oil. See if it's hot enough. It's not quite as hot as I want, so I'll wait for the next one. I'll let that get started. Just stretching it out. If you get a hole, that's okay. It's not the end of the world. Just patch that. Close the hole up. Stretching it out. Okay, I think our oil is ready. Stretch it out. So you get the idea. Okay, now you need to turn them. Once they double in size, you need to turn them. So my first one has doubled in size. You want to look underneath to make sure it's a brown color before you turn them. That's not quite. I'm going to put another one in. I'm going to set up something to take them out on. So I have a rack from my air fryer, put it over the plate. Turn these. Okay, that's almost ready. When it's brown on both sides, they're ready. Yep, that's ready. Let me show you this. Okay, see, it's brown on this side and brown on this side. Okay. See, I'm checking to see if it's brown on the bottom. This one is. Okay, I'm going to fry the rest and I'll bring you back. Okay, so I have some Baker's semi-sweet chocolate that I put in the microwave for 1 minute. You see that? Okay. So now I'm just going to stir it up. It's hot enough to apply on the fried dough. So after I stirred it up, you see what it looks like, right? It's flexible. Okay. Now I'm just going to dip the fried dough in the hot chocolate. Okay? This one's kind of long, so I'll have to do it. Dip it on one side and then turn it. Okay. Okay, that one I couldn't get in the middle, so I got a spoon to help it. Okay, and those two I'm going to leave plain. So if someone don't want the chocolate, they can have plain. Okay, so you see, let me show you, clean my mess up. 1 second. So here we go. Fried dough, chocolate dipped fried dough. How about that, huh? Just like you go to Dunkin' Donuts. That's all they do. Okay. So we could even call this a donut if we want, right? But we'll stick with fried dough. Okay, let me take a taste for you. Before I take a taste, let me give you the word of the day. Dream. Dream a little, will you? Make your dreams come true. You can work on them day by day, week by week, but work on them, okay? When you have idle time, think about what you want to do and put that into action. Dream a little, will you? That's the word of the day. Okay, let me taste the chocolate fried dough. Here we go. Mmm. Wow. That with a cup of coffee. Home run. Okay, give it a thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. Love you.